Okay people, I am so excited to be sharing with you this very special grocery haul because I visited an all-vegan grocery store, you guys. I can't wait to show you what I got, so let's get into it. So in case you haven't heard of Vegan Supply before, they are an all-vegan grocery store brand located here in Canada. They do also ship all across Canada, the US, and internationally, so you can absolutely shop on their website right here, and I'm so excited to show you some of the products that I picked up in store today, so let's get right into it. I picked up some vegan and gluten-free instant noodles, you guys. I can't tell you how exciting this is for me because I never get to have instant noodles like the ones with the seasonings in the packets. I usually always buy just a big bag of brown rice ramen noodle bricks from Costco, which I have shown many times in my Costco hauls, like this one right up here. I got my good old soy curls. You guys know how much I love them. I talk about them all the time on the channel, and I use them regularly in recipes, and you've probably seen them in a few videos here and there. They're like the chicken of the plant world. They're a single ingredient food. They're basically just made from the whole soybean. They're packed with fiber, packed with protein, and oh my gosh, they make an amazing meat substitute, whether you want to try and replicate the texture of chicken or any kind of poultry or beef. They absorb all the flavors of whatever you marinate them in, so you guys definitely have to try soy curls if you've never tried them before. Next up is this chana masala, which is a chickpea curry. This actually is a brand that I do frequently purchase, not just from Vegan Supply, but elsewhere. I love this brand because they have so many amazing plant-based and vegetarian/vegan options. Definitely something I buy a lot. Now this one's a new one. I have never heard of or tried walking tamales. In fact, I've maybe had tamales once before in my life. I know, kind of shameful, but I'm really excited. These, I'm assuming, are kind of like things you just pop it in the microwave and you just can like walk around, such as the name is, with a tamale. They look really delicious. They actually have 6 grams of protein in them, which looks pretty decent. They look very good. I'm very excited to try them. Annie's vegan mac and cheese, you guys. Oh my gosh, I don't buy mac and cheese that often, but I have to say, of all the different plant-based mac and cheese brands out there, Annie's is definitely one of my favorite, and I'm so glad that they've recently come out with not only a plant-based mac and cheese, but a vegan mac. And I have tried this flavor before. It is very good. These are just so quick and easy, and yeah, we all know they're not the healthiest thing that you can eat, but damn, if you're just looking for like a quick meal, mac and cheese is amazing. Plus, in a recent video, which you can check out right up here, I show you how to zhuzh up the plain old box of mac and cheese, make it a little more filling, a little more hearty, so definitely check it out. We got some beef jerky. I do love me a good plant-based jerky, so smoked maple flavor, heck yeah, can't wait to try this. It looks like it has a pretty decent amount of protein as well. 6 grams of protein for a third of this packet. I've never ever tried this before. I'm very excited. Next up is this naked and saucy butterless chicken sauce, aka like a butter chicken sauce without the chicken. It is organic, gluten-free, vegan, and made in Canada. Well, that's a nice surprise. You know, sometimes a quick convenience item like this is really like a lifesaver on those nights where you just don't feel like cooking or even making one of your own lazy meals. So I'm very much looking forward to this. I probably will make this with like some chickpeas over rice, and I think and hope that it would be delicious. Okay, this one I am really excited for. It's called Chummy Chorizo by Brother Sprout. I don't know if you've ever heard of this brand. It's new to me, and I am really looking forward to trying out these little plant-based chorizo sausage crumbles. I believe all you have to do is rehydrate them in water and kind of cook them like you would soy curls or TVP. And yeah, you can kind of add it to salads or sandwiches or make taco meat out of it, which I'm totally like down for. I mean, I don't necessarily always gravitate towards these processed meat alternatives. I love me my good old beans and tofu, but sometimes it is just nice to have fun, and whenever you're just feeling like having some fajitas or some tacos, it's kind of nice to just be able to have an item like this that you can quickly whip up on the stove and have like a meaty taco or a meat alternative at the snap of a finger. So really stoked to try this one out. Not to mention, per 100 grams, this has a whopping 27.6 1.73 grams of protein, people. Now, I couldn't go to an all vegan grocery store without grabbing myself a vegan Kit Kat. Now, I'll be real. I don't know if this is gonna taste any different than, you know, the regular Kit Kat with dairy milk in it, but I don't care. I am just excited to have a Kit Kat. I have not had one in so long. I don't think it's gluten-free, unfortunately, but it's fine. We're just gonna enjoy it, and it's gonna be delicious. If you've tried the vegan Kit Kat, let me know in a comment below. Do you like it? Is it legit? Tell me your thoughts. Moving on to some of our frozen food items, very exciting. We got some vegan sushi rolls. I tried these vegan sushi rolls by Conscious Foods last year at the Planted Expo here in Vancouver, and holy freaking moly, they blew my mind with how authentic they tasted, how delicious their California roll was, and I was like, damn, I have to find me some more of these, and I'm so glad that Vegan Supply carries them, because all you have to do is let them thaw on your counter and they're ready to eat, and they're really good. So definitely see if you can find them near you. If not, order them on Vegan Supply. Next up, we got some plant-based taquitos from Starlight Cuisine. Never tried these before. They look absolutely scrumptious. We've got the plant-based chicken variety. We'll see how that is. I can't say I've ever had a plant-based chicken taquito. I've definitely had bean taquitos in the past, but nothing like this, so I could not be more excited. I just love the convenience of throwing them in your air fryer and 10 minutes later having a crunchy taquito. Yes, so much yes. Have you guys tried the plant-based chicken from Daring yet? I haven't, and they looked really good. I love me anything teriyaki flavored, and these just looked so good. They have 13 grams of protein per like every serving, so that's pretty cool. Only 130 calories as well. Now, I am a lover of Beyond Meat. I love their burgers, I love their breakfast sausages and their Italian sausages, but I have never seen or tried their steak tips. So I saw them and I knew I had to have them. I feel like they're gonna be so good in like a steak salad. 24 grams of protein per cup of these steak bites. Like, that is significant. Like, holy protein department. That's amazing. Let me know in a comment below if you've tried any of these products that I've shown you today. I'm so curious to know what your thoughts are. What did you like? Is there anything that you don't like? I do grocery hauls like this all the time, so don't miss out. Make sure that you're following me, and definitely check out vegansupply.ca below. I know a few of my subscribers have told me that they actually do already shop at Vegan Supply online, so that is so cool to hear. Check them out and let me know what you think. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in another video, you guys. Bye!